Hi there. In this video, we'll learn how to add symbols and do backfill in the data feed software, as the symbols which are active in data feed will be updated in Amibroker. So let's get started. Select the feeds from which you need to add symbols, like cash, future, option, etc. For example, we will click on future feeds. Select the symbol you want to add, and click Add Symbols. You can use Select All, and then Add Symbol also. Select more symbols from respective feeds which you want to add. Once the symbols are added, you can select the backfill days, and click on top backfill button. It will do backfill for all the symbols you have added. For selected symbols backfill, you can click backfill button next to symbol name. Once backfill is completed, you can see the historical data in Amibroker. We hope this video gave you all the necessary information. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.